To set your Texecom alarm, enter your 4-digit code followed by tick. If set to a timed exit, you will have a set amount of time, for example 30 seconds, to leave the property before the alarm sets. To unset your alarm, simply enter your 4-digit code. To part set your alarm, enter your 4-digit code followed by the Part Arm button. Scroll through the 3 Part Arm options to select which one you want, and then press tick. Your system will immediately start to arm. Please note your alarm may arm silently if it's been set up in this way. To change your Texecom alarm code, enter your 4-digit code followed by the menu button. Then press tick to enter the user menu and use the arrows to navigate until you find the Change Code section. Press tick. Enter your 4-digit user code followed by tick. Now press reset. Your new alarm code should now be ready to use. To omit a zone from your Texecom alarm, enter your 4-digit user code, then press the bypass button. Now use the arrows to navigate to the zone you want to omit, and then press X. This will now show a message of which zone has been bypassed. Now press the menu button and tick to set the alarm. Please note, an orange light will show to indicate that a zone has been successfully bypassed. To add an extra alarm code, for example, if you want a different code for your cleaner, enter your 4-digit code followed by the menu button. Then press tick. Scroll through the menu list until you find Set Up Users. Press tick. This will bring you to the next available user. Press tick again. You will then be prompted to enter a new code. Enter your new code followed by tick. Now press menu twice, followed by the reset button. Your new code will now be ready to use. To delete a user code from your Texecom alarm system, enter your 4-digit code followed by the menu button, then press tick. Scroll through the menu list until you find Set Up Users. Press tick. Now navigate using the arrows to the user you want to delete. Press the reset button followed by tick. This user will now have been deleted. To exit back to the normal menu, press menu twice followed by the reset and tick. To set up a part arm, enter your 4-digit code followed by the menu button. Then press tick. Navigate through the menu with the arrows to Alter Stay Arms. Press tick. This will now take you through to a list of your zones. Scroll through the zone list and press X to disable the zone or zones for your part set. Once you've selected the zones you want to disable, press menu followed by reset. You should now be back to the home screen. To set up the chime function on your Texecom alarm, enter your 4-digit user code followed by the menu button, then press tick. At this point you're in the user menu. Use the arrow keys to scroll through until you find Edit Chime Zones, then press tick. The display will then show the list of zones. Scroll down to the zone you want to add a chime to and press X. The zone description will then change from silent to chime 1, 2 or 3. The number representing the number of chime noises the system will make. To exit menu, press the menu button, followed by reset. Your chime should now be ready to use. To turn off the chime, simply press the musical note button on your Texecom keypad. If you need help with your alarm, we're Texecom specialists and can help fix or upgrade existing alarm systems across the UK. Please get in touch with our team.